So terrorism is often seen as something that crosses borders. But what happens when the threat comes from a country's own citizens? In Nepal, this question ties directly into international law. International law does not distinguish whether terrorism is foreign sponsored or homegrown. The UN Security Council, through resolutions like 1373, requires all states to criminalize terrorism. Nepal, as a UN member, has ratified several counter-terrorism treaties against hijacking, bombings, and the financing of terrorism. This means if Nepali citizens engage themselves in international terrorist acts, the state has a duty to prosecute or extradite them. But here's the balance. Counter-terrorism cannot become a blanket excuse to silence political dissent. Under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which Nepal has ratified, the right to protest and freedom of expression remains protected. Only genuine acts of violence can meet the definition of terror. And even then, Nepal must follow the rules. No torture, no arbitrary detention, and fair trials for all the accused. So when citizens themselves are accused of international terrorism, Nepal must walk a fine line, comply with UN terrorism duties, but also uphold its human right obligations, because the rule of law means fighting terror without becoming unjust in the process. That is the requirement right now. Thank you.